Hola my beauties, welcome or welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Karishkar and today's video I'm going to walk you through my current beauty favorites in terms of skincare, maybe makeup, maybe some hair care, fragrances and whatnot. So if that's something that interests you, please keep on watching. Alright, so before we get started, if you're wondering what I'm wearing on my face, like each of the product details and how I created this look, then please click on the I button right here to watch the tutorial for the same. It's a full face of ColourPop makeup. I only changed the lip and the detail for the same will be in the description box below. And let's just start with our current favorite product, starting with skincare first. I have this Miracle Herbs Radiance Face Treatment Oil. I am gonna be over this soon as well. It's more of like a constant beauty favorite and not like a current one. But since we are moving towards the colder months, I'm thoroughly enjoying lathering up my skin with this facial oil. If you have dry skin or just in general, you know, like to use facial oils, and this one is a hemp seed oil, it really helps with evening out your skin tone and just unclogging your pores and providing you an even texture and skin tone. So I've just really been enjoying using this one ever since. I mean, I don't remember how many bottles of this I have purchased. It's been more of a constant beauty favorite, and yeah, certainly would recommend this one if you're looking out for a good facial oil. Next up, I've also been enjoying this Dr. Sheth's moisturizer of lately. It's the ginseng and vitamin E moisturizing cream. I usually, like, I'm very picky with my moisturizers, okay? And this is the basic moisturizer. It does not have as such any actives. It's just a basic hydrating moisturizer, and it's a beautiful one. Honestly, it hydrates the skin well. It's lightweight on the skin, it's not sticky, it's just hydrating, and that's some things and all the things I like in a moisturizer. So yeah, this one would, I believe, particularly work for all skin types. I generally have like a very dry skin type, yet it works on me as well. Some days I just feel like adding on some facial oil on top of it, but other days I'm good to go with this one on its own. And further coming down to makeup, first I want to tell you what type of makeup I've been enjoying lately. I have been obsessed. Like, if you guys know me, you guys must know that I always like to have dewy base and basically a dewy makeup overall. I don't like matte full coverage base makeup, okay? So my style is more dewy, more like medium coverage, and basically give me all the glow you got, okay? And I have been super into cream products lately. So definitely all the products I'm going to mention are cream products, cream blushes, cream bronzers, and they have been just lovely, especially this transitional phase, autumn, that it's neither too cold nor too warm. So yeah, my skin is really enjoying cream products, and I have just in general become such a supporter of using cream products because they look crazy good and just enhance your base to another level, okay? So with all that build up, let's move on to the first product. First, I want to definitely recommend you guys this primer oil that I have been, again, another constant beauty favorite. Agar मैंने इतनी बार कोई product restock करा है, so it's not a current, it's a constant beauty favorite. I only got this once in PR as I was a part of the campaign when this product launched. It's the Cal Instabeam Illuminating Oil, and I was a part of the campaign. I received it once. The brand didn't send me any backups or whatever. I have purchased at least, I guess, 3 to 4 of these, and I use this always before any and every makeup look that I do. My skin prep is moisturizer in this, and I'm sorted. So that this is the reason how my base looks as good and as skin-like. And yeah, certainly I'm a huge fan of this product. So this is basically a dry illuminating oil. It's not greasy, it's rather hydrating, you know. So it also imparts like a subtle glow, a very skin-like glow. And जब भी मैं ये use करती हूँ, I've noticed my base looks very skin-like and like melted into the skin. So anyways, good skin prep is very important for a good base. And yeah, if you're looking out for something for a good skin prep, there you go. And talking of cream products, I have been a whore for cream blushes. I am stocking and hoarding on cream blushes like no other, okay? And one of my latest obsessions has to be the ColourPop serum blushes. My bad, these are the Cheek Dew serum blushes. If you're a person who likes to wear tints or cream blushes on bare skin, or on top of a BB cream or CC cream, basically on top of a very light coverage base or no base at all, then you're gonna love these. These are not the cream blushes that you want to add on like a medium to full coverage foundation. They will, you know, sort of spoil your base and your base shall move, because these are very liquidy and these are serum blushes, so these are more like skincare infused makeup, and it really makes your cheeks like look like healthy and luscious and dewy and yummy when you use these on bare skin. I have been obsessed with these. I have been wearing these almost daily. I just put on my sunscreen and these and I'm done for the day. Like no other makeup, just these. Okay, talking of cream blushes, another beautiful product that I've been loving for them dewy flushed cheeks has to be the Earth Rhythm Tinted Lippy. So first time I realized that I can also use these as what do you say, cream blush and not just a lip balm was, I guess, when I saw Ankush Bahuguna use them way back in the day. But these are so good as a tinted lippy. I have dug in so much that I would have never used it, you know, as much if it was like a lip balm, a tinted lip balm. So what I like to do is basically, it's supremely pigmented. Is also one reason I don't like to use it as a lip balm, because I want my lip balms to be slightly tinted, not like tinted. Okay, and what I like to do with this is use a tad bit of this, and basically it doubles up as a gorgeous cheek tint. And because it is a lippy tint or a lip balm sort of, it's very emollient, so it also imparts that glow to your cheeks. And honestly, if you don't want to source the serum blushes, this is something available easily in India, the Earth Rhythm Tinted Lippies. They look very glowy on the cheeks. You have to try them to get what I'm talking about. It's basically like using a tinted lip balm on your cheeks. So since it's also a lip balm, it's emollient and it makes your cheeks glow. It looks super cute on bare skin, and or this one though can even go upon sheer to medium coverage foundations. It does not disturb the base as such, and it's also very long lasting. These tints in specific, supremely long lasting, looks very healthy and dewy, and these are just so much more skin like and looks like a genuine natural flush, like someone just pinched your cheeks type of flush and not like a tint on your cheeks. So yeah, another one product that I would say go buy it, try it for yourself, and you'll know why I'm like loving it so much. Then I also got a couple of cream bronzers that I've been liking of lately. I'm not really into like cool toned contours. I quite never really have been into cool toned contours. I in general like just a slightly bronzed look towards the perimeters of my face, and never really like sharp cool toned cutting contours. It's never been my thing. So the cream bronzers that I've been really liking, first of all, has to be the Forever 52 Spotless Glow Foundation in the shade Spelt. So it's basically it's basically the darkest shade of the foundation, and this foundation formula in particular is like a super creamy, very blendable formula, and that's what I love about it. It looks very, very creamy and very, very blendable, so it just gives again a very dewy and a very blended look. And especially with cream bronzers, the quantity you get, you're gonna pretty much never finish it, dude. And next up, another cream bronzer that I've been loving so much of lately, and kafi times for that matter, has to be the PAC Pen Stick. That's what it's called, right? Yeah, it's in the shade 318. It's a gorgeous cream bronzer again. So it's basically like a stick that can be used as a concealer or a foundation if you go with your shade. But I also have this in a shade way too deeper for me, which acts beautifully as a warm bronzer shade. This is slightly more warm as compared to the Forever 52 shade. I mean, you won't really be able to suspect essay. You can see the shade here, however. This is the PAC one, and here we got the Forever 52 one. Can you see that? This is more neutral, whereas this is slightly more warm. Both are extremely creamy. Both give you like a very blended in look and like a very seamless transition from foundation to bronzer. Looks lovely in any season, summer, winter, autumn. A good cream bronzer is just you know, such a must have in your vanity. And another one of a hidden gem in makeup has to be the Cal Los Angeles makeup setting spray. It's called Sets, and honestly this is not the final packaging. Unki I guess holographic packaging hai bahar se. This is a rather sort of a sample bottle that I have, that I received 2 months back from the brand. That's all I can say. They actually sent me this to try out this particular formula beforehand, before the launch, which is absolutely lovely of them to do. As you know, a part of their content creators team, I got an early access to this was however not the final packaging, but the formula, it's such a good setting spray again, and it's an illuminating setting spray, just in case I forgot to mention. It's a dewy illuminating setting spray. If you're on a lookout for a good dewy setting spray that will also make your makeup last long, this is your answer, honey. This is your answer. It melts the makeup, and little, you know, your face won't look like powdery or like highlighter ki stripe alag ja rahi hai ya under eye bake alag lag raha hai. Nope, nope, nope. Just spritz it on really well. Also, I like the spray of it. It's quite fine, I want to say. Sometimes I like to just before starting to spray, हर चीज के साथ spritz it once in the air, ताकि you know एकदम से कभी कभी particles आ जाते हैं you know face पे. But other than that, this spray is anyways nice, and this is a very good setting spray. I don't know why the brand almost didn't market it, or at least I haven't seen this around as much or heard reviews about it or whatever. So yeah, I just thought I really have to include this क्योंकि मैं बहुत use कर रही हूँ आजकल ये, so had to mention it. And last but not the least, a product that I was confused should fall in the skincare category or the makeup, but I use it more so as a makeup product, so let's go ahead with that. It's the Baby Lips Baby Lips color. It's in the shade Cherry Kiss, and dude, ये बचपन में स्कूल में यूज करते थे, definitely I know that. And I do have like a lot more fancier lip balms than this, but lately I have reunited with this baby right here, and I have fallen in love with Baby Lips all over again. It's a lip balm, it's tinted, it sort of stains your lips a little. What else do you need? I don't get it. It hydrates my lips as well as make them pink and nice, and the shade Cherry Kiss is so beautiful. मैं स्कूल में भी ये वाला शेड लेती थी और मेरे को कोई टीचर नहीं लगाने देती थी, but अब I can wear it, so why not? So आजकल basically ना से मास्क के नीचे, you know, I'm a gloss lover. I love my glosses way too much, but if I like lather on a good layer of gloss, तो सारा मास्क पे लग जाएगा and or will smear around and just ruin my you know face makeup further. So what I like to do is basically apply a nice thick coat of Baby Lips. तो अगर वो हल्का सा मास्क पे लग भी गया, it's alright. It still sort of stays on your lips and gives a very natural pink hue, along with making your lips look you know moisturized and making your lips feel moisturized, because it is a lip balm indeed. So yeah, I'm really liking this Sasta Tikau Achhi tinted lip balm. And yeah, if you're missing a Baby Lips too, yeah, get it. Further, we have some hair care items. I usually don't talk about hair care at all on this channel, like it's very rare. So if I mention a hair care product, I must really like it, okay? And the first one has to be this Techniart Construct. It's basically a heat protectant spray. It's thermoactive spray, spray deconstruction texture, I don't know. वो सब फालतू description छोड़ो. It's basically a heat protectant spray. My hairdresser suggested it to me and I have been loving it so far, and I've genuinely realized कि जब मैं ये कुछ भी styling से पहले use करती हूँ मेरे बाल नहीं जलते. So that's the crux of it. Go buy it. It's really nice, no cap. Okay. Also no cap is very literal here. The hair care products I like, उनकी सबकी मैं cap तक घुमा चुकी हूँ, ये बस ऐसे ही पड़े हुए हैं. So yeah, on to reviewing this. This is a very nice heat protectant spray, not much talked about for some apparent reason. And yeah, the mist is like really nice and constant. मैंने बहुत सारा waste कर दिया. And also this makes your hair wet. So what I like to do usually is जब मैं hair wash करती हूँ तो hair wash करके बाहर आए, जैसे बाल already गीले, so I spray them तभी अच्छे से एक बार, like I apply my serum on semi wet hair and spray this, because ये थोड़ा सा ना बालों को गीला कर देता है. It's not one of those sprays that will not wet your hair. It does make your hair wet, if that makes any sense. Okay, it will make your hair wet. और फिर उसके बाद you can further continue with your styling, whether it is blow drying or straightening or curls. Yeah, it will not damage your hair, and please use one. इसलिए बोल रही हूँ because मैंने अपने बाल खराब के बिल्कुल बालों का नाश कर लिया था. So it would be better if you use precautionary measures, no? And next up for my lazy girls here, I got this Dove dry shampoo. I've used a lot of dry shampoos. I also like the Batiste, I don't know how it's pronounced as. That was also good, but I don't know, I wasn't the hugest fan of this. However, I really like this one in particular. It also smells really nice. This one smells of like, this smells of a hair wash, dude. This smells like you have freshly washed your hair. I really like the scent of this, and that's how the spray is. Also, if you just spray ऐसे बालों के ऊपर से, it will make your hair white. So you got to make sure you like part your hair and into the roots spray it, and just with your hand थोड़ा सा ना, what do you say, massage it, like उसको ऐसे mix कर लो. Mix नहीं करेंगे यार, थोड़ा सा उसको, you know. So it will make your scalp look not oily or greasy. It will make your scalp look fresh for a day. ये नहीं है इसका मतलब कि तुम hair wash ही ना करो. It's that you know, जैसे 2 दिन wash नहीं करा, 3rd day ज़्यादा oily लग रहे हैं बाल, so you can use that, and the other day you go ahead and wash your hair. It's an in between washes वाली help है, as it says care between washes. So you can use this between your washes, and it has the scent of coconut and sweet lime. Yeah, it has a very refreshing scent, indeed, coconut and sweet lime. Now I realize that. And yeah, it's a very beautiful scent. It does the job. It does provide volume and does lessen the look of an oily scalp. So yeah, it does the deed, and it's a good one. Okay, last but not the least, जल्दी से बता रही हूँ, फिर तुम अपने घर जाओ, मैं तो अपने घर पे बैठी हूँ, ठीक है? So first one right here is actually a room spray. So it's not a room freshener like the generic ones. It's a mehenga wala, so it's a room spray apparently. And this is by Bath and Body Works. Basically, it's a chotu version. How many ml is this? I guess 100 ml or what? Let me check. Okay, so it says it's 42.5 grams and not in ml or whatever. It's a room spray by Bath and Body Works. The flavor is vanilla and patchouli, and it's a beautiful, very refreshing, also high intensity room spray. So you don't have to spray like bahut sara, and this is how the spray is like. You know, it's a concentrated spray, I would say. Ah, lovely. Oh, that smells so good. That really smells so good. Okay, I'll stop sniffing, but that really smells so good. I really like to use it not daily. It's just like a special occasions wala, you know, scent that you use ki maybe koi guest आ रहा, or you just want to feel good, skincare कर रहे हो, अच्छी सी me time चाहिए, whatever. You just spray your room and it smells good. And yeah, it's a concentrated spray, so you don't need to spray a lot. It stays for a long while as well. बहुत देर तक इसकी fragrance room में आती रहती है, and it's a very nice one. I've lately been loving it. ये बहुत time से मैं drawer में पड़ा हुआ था, मैंने कभी use ही नहीं करा था. मतलब मेरे को बहुत पहले मैंने इसको purchase करा था, but lately I've been using it and loving it for sure. And next up, I have a bunch of scented candles, okay, that I have been loving lately. So I used to be a Bath and Body Works person, but फिर मुझे उसके बाद लगा कि थोड़ा ना it's expensive, you know, Bath and Body Works. So I kind of stopped shopping along the Bath and Body Works store because it's expensive. I used to, पहले मेरे को बहुत आदत थी, I used to get hand creams, body lotions, ये सब चीजें. Then I realized also because I now get so much PR, so I just kind of stopped buying that from Bath and Body Works all of a sudden apparently. So lately, as Malvika Sitlani launched her own brand, Mazik Beauty, I purchased a scented candle after so long, and it just कुछ मेरे में छिड़ गया. भूत चढ़ गया मेरे को दोबारा से scented candles का. मेरे को पहले बहुत होता था, so I just this thing reignited in me कि मुझे scented candles से फिर से प्यार हो गया. And the one that made me fall in love with scented candles all over again is by Mazik Beauty. It's the one Beauty Sleep. I also got Me Time. मुझे पसंद नहीं आई ज़्यादा. मुझे Me Time की इतनी fragrance ही नहीं आती थी, to be very honest. Me Time का I believe throw is the fragrance throw is less as compared to Beauty Sleep, and I also like this fragrance way better. It smells of fresh lemon, lime and coconut, the 3 top notes, followed by pineapple, jasmine musk and vanilla. all the things I love. Okay, vanilla, coconut and lime. It's very fresh yet soothing. It's very soothing yet वो जो lime का थोड़ी सी freshness है ना, beautiful I would say. So I've used this काफी अच्छी खासी मैं burn कर चुकी. Rather it looks ugly right now because मैंने एक तो ढंग से इसको first time burn नहीं करा था उस वजह से. But yeah, बहुत see. I can't. I mean, it's crazy how addicted I am to scented candles all over again. And next up, after the reignition of this Purani Aadat, I went ahead to Bath and Body Works and got a couple of new candles. ये मैंने यूज नहीं करी है, but I know these are my favorites. I want to eat this candle. Can I please take a bite? It's very hard to sniff it and not want to eat it. Okay. So I really like peach iced tea. Like that's one of my favorite drinks. और जो जगह अच्छी peach iced tea बनाती है, I'm like, you know. So I got this peach Bellini candle because when I sniffed it, it just reminded me of my favorite cafe's peach iced tea, and that's crazy. Rather better, okay. It smells of peaches at its best. I have not lit it. और एक तो बाथ एंड बॉडी वर्क्स की कैंडल्स की बेस्ट बात ये है, तो उसको नहीं भी जलाओगे, इसका थ्रो फ्रेग्रेंस का इतना अच्छा है ना. I can just smell it entirely अभी ऐसे. So it's too good. The first one I got is peach Bellini, and the second one I got on the recommendation of Sarah Sarosh, and how I wanna thank her, dude, is this one. It's in the variant mahogany teakwood. It's a high intensity variant of the same range. I don't know what to say. I really don't. It smells of the sexiest manly perfume. You know, I personally love unisex or men perfumes. Men perfumes are like just far superior than women perfumes, okay? It just smells like the sexiest men perfume available on planet Earth. I don't know what it is. It's dark, musky, sexy. I mean, this candle is sexy, dude. That's hot. That fragrance is hot. I have a thing for fragrances and people who smell good. And last but not the least, I also have this fragrance from Zara. This is also sort of a staple that जब भी मैं Zara जाती हूँ, मेरे perfume खत्म होता है, I always pick it. So I'm not a very luxury perfume kind of person because luxury perfumes are very expensive, to be very honest. Yeah, so Zara perfumes are good enough for me, okay? And this one in particular, Red Vanilla, I really like this one. इससे पहले I was using a men perfume variant from Zara. ये तो मेरा हमेशा ही मतलब होता ही है. This तो I have purchased 3-4 बार. Last time भी जो मैंने Zara से pick करा था ना, honestly it was too good, yeah. I'll just add a picture in here. Night Home Pour was the name if I'm not wrong. It was so good, so good, okay. I don't even, you know, care to define notes or whatever. It's just yummy. This one is Red Vanilla. It's like an evening perfume. It's vanilla but like deep dark vanilla. So yeah, it's a very interesting scent. Again, also the one I'm talking about, the other one na, that was also very good. I actually wasn't able to spot it the other day I went to Zara, otherwise I would have definitely picked that up too. But yeah, I guess with that, that's a wrap for today. That's pretty much all I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed watching all these recommendations. These are my current favorite products, and if you want any more such videos, or just leave in video recommendations and what do you want to see in the comments below, and I shall film them for you all. Thank you so much for tuning in. That's all for today. Goodbye.